鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められてへん
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I guess you already know by the thumbnail what I'm gonna do today. So yes, I have decided to cook chicken pickle today. Yay! Okay, to be honest, I have never tried this before. When I was in India, my sister used to cook for us. So yeah, जितना भी सीखा है मैंने अपनी बड़ी बहन से सीखा है. So I'll try to share her recipe with you all. I don't know whether it's gonna be good or not, but let's see. Alright then, see you in a while. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is to boil the chicken and let it cook it properly. Next, I'm adding the chicken into the wok. And now, I'm just taking out some of the water so it doesn't overflow. Now I'm going to add some bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Salt goes in now. Now, I'm flipping the chicken so it cooks evenly on both sides. I'm draining the chicken, and once drained, I'll let the chicken cool completely. Now I'm going to start shredding the chicken into small pieces, पर आप अपने हिसाब से साइज को छोटा बड़ा करके रख सकते हो. It's time to air dry the chicken before the next step. Now we will need ginger and garlic for the taste we want. Here I'm using a whole ginger and 2.5 cloves of garlic, but you can adjust the amount according to your taste. Now I'm gonna peel the ginger and garlic real quick. Next, I'm crushing the ginger and garlic to make a smooth paste. Alright, so I'm toasting this dried chili and grind them later to make it extra spicy. However, chili is up to you. I'm going heavy because I love spicy food. You can add according to your taste. You know guys, for some reason my grinder wasn't working, so I'm going old school with this mortar and pestle for the chili. Now I'm adding mustard oil for that authentic flavor. वैसे तो आप refined oil भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Now it's time to add ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Well, I'm adding the ginger first because I feel like it takes longer time to cook than garlic. Now I'm adding the garlic. Now mix it well and let it turn golden brown. Here comes the chicken, the star of the recipe. Now, give it a good mix. Now, I'm adding red chili powder for that nice color. Give everything a good stir, making sure the spices and chicken are evenly coated. Next, now I'm going to add chili paste. This step really brings the dish to life with its spicy aromatic flavor, and it's one of my favorite parts of cooking this chicken pickle. Now I'm going to mix everything thoroughly so that all the flavors blend together perfectly. I'm going to add a little more oil because it feels a little bit dry, and this will help keep the chicken juicy. And last but not least, I'm adding the vinegar. This will give the chicken a nice tangy kick and really bring all the flavors together. Alright guys, let's give it a one final stir, and there you have it. The chili pickle is ready. So this is the final result of my achar. It looks really delicious, and I'm just gonna let it cool down for some time. उसके बाद ये ready हो जाएगा. 鏡の前ピタッと並ばされて फाइनली इट्स रेडी गाइस, मेरा अचार बन के रेडी हो गया है एंड आई एम सुपर प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ। वैसे ये मेरा जिंजर पेस्ट का डब्बा था, सो खाली पड़ा हुआ था तो मैंने यूज़ कर लिया। एंड आई एम गोना लेट इट सन ड्राई फॉर लाइक मे बी 2-3 days, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव इट लाइक राइट अवे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप ऐसे भी खा सकते हो। ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ये बहुत अच्छा है एंड आप इसको नूडल्स के साथ भी खा सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा जाता है। या फिर कि आप ऐसे चटनी की तरह भी खा सकते हो, या फिर आप खाने के साथ भी खा सकते हो, सब में अच्छा जाता है। यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन। So right guys, that was it for my today's vlog. I hope you're gonna like this video, और अगर पसंद आएगा तो please like, share, subscribe, comment, कुछ भी कर देना, I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, tata, bye bye, good night, love you all guys.